day. You can have a chat with the power box. You know the one with the power up. His name high like tower top. It get cold in this world like when the shower stops. His name is for Jesus, I tell him. He's the main event. His main is king, but you can see through him, so he's the main. I spit a lot of time in the word, not time on the curve. Jesus is the word, so it's not so a curve. We do this every day like 24/7. I'm trying to do it big, trying to make it up to heaven. I'm not going to hell, cause I'm not holding shells and not doing that, so I'm not paying bail, not in jail, not in hell. I broke loose. Jesus Christ is the one, so that's what I rep. I go loose, yeah, like shoes, I get loose. Yo, I rock it hard, just like listen, my God triumph, absolutely. I look in the mirror every day and I wake up, gotta execute me. Please, Jesus, don't refuse me on judgment day, judgment way. Now, I ain't trying to go church that way. Got my rock in my hand, with throwing at that man, but I'm looking at myself, saying I ain't sinning, man, sinning and sinning can, man. So if you ain't sinning, then what are you gonna really saying? I'm serving Jesus every day. If you don't know what I say, Peter's on course, I'm on course. I don't know what they gonna say. I was just wilding out. Watches already on trial. I'm gonna make my own verse. I got my armor on, homeboy, I'm ready to kill before dirt the end kills. He's faithfully blessing me still. My spirit is big like Glenn. I said big Glenn. Then kind of like Simpson. Yeah, God, it echoes through my mouth just like a DJ. Because I'm singing again, just like a replay. So when I come and get it, all these cats ain't really like it when I'm fighting. Cause me and my squad, we triumphant. Absolutely, you ain't shooting me. Because you know I put the tools in the end. You ain't hurting me, dog. Because you know it's like spiritual surgery. I'm losing it, but I'ma get it back. Rip the back and rip the track. I split the track, I split it back. When I come and get it, cause I get it when I did it right. Kinda like Chuck Hunter when I spit it. You gon' like it, right? It's two down, the 7 city lockdown. SBG and representing the guy that sent the sun down. Talking a lot of amazing great, no house with the sound. And I forgot the rest, so I'ma turn it around. Steadily under attack. That's why I'm always riding the track. That's why I fit rap. Taking with my vocal for track. It's Glennetti, I'm ready. Chopping up demons like confetti. Using his words as sharper than any knife or machete. Sometimes I sit back and think I would be satisfied. Didn't tell anybody about my father at a nine. I ain't the gangster holding the ready Ruger. I'm that rapper cutting demons up like Freddy Krueger. Yo, just know I sit towards Satan with tight fists. Cause I got more points than 1,000 ice picks. And you know that the devil really ain't gon' like this. So I'm a practice living my life, nothing but righteous. It's me, the capital B-I-G, Big Lynn to the end. When I rip it for him, I'm gonna do this something I never put out. I'm gonna mess it up. God is on I do this, we do this thing, I do this for the king. I got a reason to live, cause Jesus is more than I can imagine. He is, and he lives. That's why when I see him, I live and I give. Everything not right in his sight, see why I live. To see eternal Christ in my life, see I forgive. For everything that was done in my life, Jesus is. Everything I need in my life, see Jesus is. Every day he made me your wife, see Jesus is. More than I can imagine, he is and he lives. That's why when I see him, I live and I give. Everything that right in his sight, see why I live. To see eternal Christ in my life, see I forgive. For everything that was done in my life, Jesus is.
John Starks on the beat.
Jesus is.